Okay, bring it back slowly. Watch your left side. Easy now. Ramp clear. Send the first group down. All right, easy now. Keep them moving steady.
Keep the spacing consistent. We have 3 more arriving at Gate 5.
Noted. The next group is clear for entry. All levels are optimal across the board. The new filtration system is working perfectly.
The ultrasound looks good, heart rate is strong.
Agreed. Let's check the blood panel results next.
I'll prep the analyzer now, doctor.
Make sure you get under the horns on that gray one. Keep the pressure steady.
Make sure the stitching is precise right here.
Understood. We will inspect it before the sole attachment.
Check the curvature tolerance on this one.
It's within the acceptable range. Transferring the data now.
Watch the edge there. Almost done with this section. Looks good, send it down. Check the balance on the far left one.
Looks good from here.
Yeah. Excellent. Another solution found.
And this is the result of our commitment. At Finding Solutions, we take pride in presenting only the finest quality.